Hi, this is Jen Schur, and I have the day off from pole vaulting today, so we're going to head out to my cousin's Glenn's house. We're going to do a little bit of mini bike riding, so if you want to come along and join us and see what it's like,
If you want to take a look back here, we'll go back here and we'll see what we got. I made a shelf. I got some 23 mini bikes plus a bunch of other stuff back here. And if you look here up on the shelf, I made a shelf. I'm going to extend the shelf down to fit some of the other wide array of mini bikes I have. If we go back up front, I'll show you a couple of the ones that I'm kind of was the most proud to get.
Now this is the one you said Jen will be riding this one here.
Jen may ride this one right here.
Jen's going to be riding the Black Widow today.
This is a Rupp Black Widow, and it's a 1971 Rupp. They only made that 1 year. Got Delardo carb, and the thing's absolutely mint for the year of it. And the other one's pretty cool is this one.
This will be mine for the day?
It is yours for the day.
So I'll be having the chop.
And that's a Ruttman Grasshopper. It's
okay.
Joe Ruttman was a NASCAR driver in the late 60s, early 70s, and he made mini bikes, and this is one of the mini bikes he made.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, that clothing's not going to work. You're going to have to change to some bad riding gear. Okay, this is much better.
Is it your...
all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad to the bone, break 1,000 more, baby, before I am through. I wanna be yours.